Good morning, students. This is Ankita Keshurani here. So, students, how are you? I hope all are you very fine. So, students, as you know, in our last video lecture, we have completed our chapter number 3, that is working with Windows 7. In that lecture, we have seen that what is a Windows, features of Windows, what is a taskbar, what is a jump list, what do you understand by multitasking, okay, and how to create a folder, how to create a file, how to rename it, how to open it, what is the context menu. So we have seen the various topic about Windows 7, okay, in this chapter. We have covered all the topic okay, and in our last video lecture, from the starting of this chapter, I have show you how to create a folder, how to use a computer, how to open a computer, what is the start button, what is the context menu, and I have also told you to send me your video in which you are creating a folder, in which you are renaming a folder, you are deleting a folder. So you can make a video of yourself and send it to me. Till now I receive only one video from Aman Sharma, class 4th B, and he done very good. So I am not forcing anybody, anyone. I am not forcing anyone, but those who having laptop, PC, tablet at their home, computers at their home, so they have, for them it is mandatory to send me that video, because how could I know that you are learning at home, okay? सो बेटा, मुझे अगर आपके पास है लैपटॉप है, कंप्यूटर है, पीसी अगर है, सो प्लीज़ आप मुझे अपना वीडियो बना के भेजो कि मैम हमको आ गया ये बनाना, तभी मुझे पता चलेगा कि हाँ जो मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ वो आप लोग सीख रहे हो, है ना. एंड यू हैव टू शो मी दैट यू आर डूइंग प्रैक्टिसिंग एट होम. एंड रिमेंबर वन थिंग, प्रैक्टिस मेक्स मैन परफेक्ट, ओके. प्रैक्टिस मेक्स मैन परफेक्ट. द मोर you will do practice, the more you will go perfect in a computer, in a practical things, okay, in anything. So what do you want to do in your life? अगर आपको डांस करना पसंद है, अगर आपको कंप्यूटर प्ले करना पसंद है, सिंगिंग पसंद है, सो डू प्रैक्टिस, ओके, डू प्रैक्टिस. जो भी पसंद है आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है, ओके. So today I am not going to start any new chapter. We will just we will not only revise this chapter. You can open your page number. You can open your book, page number 31, in which you can see at the top side activity section. Okay, activity section is given. In that activity section you can see the lab session is given, okay, and you can see two activities, activity number 1 and activity number 2. So today we will do these both activities, okay. So one by one I will show you the first activity number 1 and then activity number 2. After that, if it is possible, if you are having laptop, PC, computer at your home, then you have to make your video and send it to me or your respective class teacher, okay. So it is mandatory for those who having laptop and computer at their home to make their videos and send it to me and your respective class teacher. So let's start our activity number 1, okay. So first you can see, double click on the computer icon on the desktop. It will display the drives and folders, okay. So double click on the computer icon. So you know now, in my computer there is Windows, instead of Windows 7 there is Windows 10 is installed, and the computer icon is same as Windows 7, but in Windows 10 the computer icon is named as this PC, but in Windows 7 this computer icon is named as computer, okay. So you can just double click on it. It will display the drives and folders. So you can see here folders, 7 folders are given here. So you can see these are folders and these are drives, okay. 5 drives, devices and drives. So you can see these are drives. So folders and drives. Now see the second step. Double click on D drive. It will display all the files and folders stored in it. So you can see this is a C drive, Windows C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive and DVD, readable and writable drive, okay. So I am not open this drive because in my PC this folder, this drive is empty. So I am opening here drive E, okay. So you can use any and you can open any drive, okay. So you can see double click on D drive. Instead of D drive, I am double clicking on E drive. Okay. So as I am double clicking on E drive, you can see it will display all the files and folders stored in it. So these are folders and these are files stored on it. Okay, you can see these are folders and these are files. Here you can see the name of any file and folder. Now you can see the second column, that is date modified, in which date the folder, the respective folder and file is modified. After that you can see the type of folder and file, that is this is a file folder. You can see the type, file folder, file folder, file folder. Now here you can see that this is an icon of PDF. So here you can see the type of this PDF file. Here you can see the Word file. Type में क्या लिखा है? Microsoft Word. Okay, 97/2003 document and circular. Okay. Here you can see this is a video file. So here is written MP4 file. This is a shortcut icon. So here written as shortcut. Here you can see this is a video file and this is written as MP4 files. Okay. So like that, here from here you will get the type of files. Now you can see the size. The last column is about size. You can see it will not showing the size of these folders. Okay. So when you will open it, then only you can see it will show only the size of a particular file, PDF file, image file, video file. Okay, it will show only the size of videos, files, video files, Word file, PDF file, image file. Okay, but when we are talking about folder, then that time it will not show you the size of that folder. Okay. Now see the next step. Now create a new folder in it and rename it with the name My Activity. So you know how to create a new folder. So to create a new folder, you have to just right click on any blank area. Here you can see this is the context menu, and here at the bottom side you can see the new option will appear. Okay. Here you can see when I bring my mouse pointer on new option. ठीक है, जैसे ही मैं अपना माउस कर्सर यहाँ पे लेके आती हूँ न्यू में, it will open a new context menu which containing various options. So here you can see at the top side the folder option is given. So first click on it. As you click on it, you can see the new folder. Okay, new folder. It is not created. You can see here the new folder is highlighted with the blue color. Okay. So to erase it, you have to press backspace from your keyboard. Okay. So I am pressing backspace from my keyboard. You can see the new folder which is written by default. It is erased from here. And now you can see the blinking of mouse cursor here, and you have to write your name. You have to give the name of your folder. So here I am giving My Activity to this folder. My Activity. Okay. Then press enter. You can see this folder has been created. Okay. You can see this folder has been created. Now create a file in MS Word and save it in the My Activity folder. So we have to first close it, or you can just minimize it. So I minimize it. Okay. Now create a file in MS Word. So to create a file in MS Word, first we have to open the Word document, Word software. Okay. So it is opening. It will take a little time. Here you have to click on this blank document. So this is Word 2019 version hai, so this is a little different. To create a file, for example, I am writing here my name. Ankita Kesharwani. So you can see the Kesharwani is showing as error because Kesharwani कोई word नहीं होता in English में, है ना? It is a surname. अंकिता भी कुछ नहीं होता, बट मैंने बहुत टाइम ये यूज किया और अंकिता यहाँ पे मेरा नाम यहाँ पे मतलब है, तो वो एरर शो नहीं कर रहा है. टू इरेज, अगर तुम चाहते हो कि ऐसा नहीं शो करे, सो यू कैन जस्ट राइट क्लिक ऑन इट. यू कैन सी द इग्नोर ऑप्शन हियर. first select it and just right click on it. Yes, you can see the ignore all. इग्नोर ऑल में जैसे ही आप क्लिक करेंगे तो जहां जहां आप ये वर्ड यूज करेंगे वहां वहां उसमें एरर शो नहीं करेगा, ठीक है. सो जहां भी अभी आपकी this is the very great advantage of Word document, that if you are writing any wrong spelling of any word, then it will show the red underline. Okay, it will underline that word with the red color. Okay, so that means that word is wrong spelled. Okay, so understand. So I am creating a file here. अंकिता केशवानी मैंने लिख दिया है. अंकिता केशवानी DWPS. Computer. DWPS Bhattapara. So I am writing like this, Bhattapara, P-A-R-A. Okay. So you can write anything. Now you have to just go to the file and click on file. After that you can see save as option. So when you will first time create a file, when you will first time save a file, you have to click on save as option. Or you can, if you are saving a file from here, from this option, then you have to click on the save as option. If you are not using this option, instead of this, if you are using your keyboard, for example, I am pressing for my keyboard Ctrl+S, ठीक है. Ctrl+S में यहाँ से प्रेस कर रही हूँ साथ में. So you can see this file. Okay, save this file option. Okay, it will show you like that. So I am saving a file from here. Save as, clicking on save as. So from this both way you can save a file. Okay, from here you have to choose the location. So in that activity you can see we have to create a file in MS Word and save it in the My Activity folder. Okay, so My Activity वाला folder किसके अंदर था, हम यहाँ से browse करेंगे, ठीक है. So let's browse. So you will see this type of screen. So you can see हमने E drive के अंदर, ठीक है, inside E drive you can see this My Activity folder. So first we have to click on this My Activity folder. You can see the path. This PC के अंदर new volume E drive है हमारा, उसके अंदर My Activity का folder है. Okay, and in that folder we have to create a file. And देखो, जब हम फाइल नेम नहीं देते हैं, फाइल में जो भी टॉप में फर्स्ट लाइन लिखी रहती है वो यहाँ पे बाय डिफॉल्ट एज अ फाइल नेम ले लेता है, ठीक है. जैसे कि यहाँ पे अंकिता केशवानी, हमने अपनी फाइल में स्टार्टिंग में टॉप में अंकिता केशवानी लिखा था. सो यू कैन सी हियर द फाइल नेम बाय डिफॉल्ट इट विल it has taken the file name as Ankita Kesharwani. Okay, so we have to give a file name here. Okay, so you can give any name. I am giving activity 1 because it is our activity 1. So I am giving activity 1. Okay, and just click on save. Now this file is saved. Okay, just close it and let's go here. From हमने minimize किया तो हम यहाँ से directly access कर लेते हैं. Here you can see My Activity folder. Open it. You can see this file has been created here. Okay, activity 1 जो file है वो यहाँ पे आके create हो गई है. Now what we have to do? See the next step. Right click on My Activity folder and select Send to. अच्छा, so हम My Activity folder में चले जाते हैं. यहाँ पे ये My Activity folder है. Right click on the My Activity folder and select Send to option from the shortcut menu. Now select Desktop Create Shortcut option. Okay, so first we have to right click on it. As I right click on it, I can see the Send to option. Okay, you can also see this Send to option. Okay, so as I bring my mouse pointer on this Send to option, it will open a new context menu. Here you can see the Desktop Create Shortcut. Okay, Desktop Create Shortcut option. So click on it. Okay, मैंने इस पे click कर दिया. As I click on it, you can see you will get the shortcut of my activity folder on the desktop. So let's check it. You can see my activity shortcut. So as I click on it, it will directly navigate me in that folder, inside this folder. Okay, so this is about our activity number 1. Okay, so here we have completed our activity section 1. Now it is the time of activity number 2. So let's start. Right click, the first step is that right click on the blank area of the desktop. So it is the blank area of the desktop. First we have to right click on it. You can see the various context, this context menu or context list. Here you have to select the new option from the shortcut menu. The context menu is also known as the shortcut menu. Okay, and here you have to click on the new option. Select the new option. Choose the folder option from the cascading menu. So this is the cascading menu, and you have to select this folder. So as I select this folder, you can see this folder has been created here. But now we have to give a valid name to it. Okay, so type a desired name for the newly created folder. So I am writing here activity 2. Activity 2. Okay, I am writing it and then press enter. You can see the folder has been created. Now rename this folder by right clicking on it and selecting the rename option from the shortcut menu. Assign any desired name. ठीक है, अब हम इसे फिर से रीनेम करना है. वी हैव टू रीनेम इट. सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू राइट क्लिक ऑन इट. As I right click on it, you can see at the bottom side rename option. So first we have to click on it, rename option. As I click on it, you can see the name of this folder has been highlighted with the blue color. So I am pressing backspace from my keyboard to erase it. As I click backspace from my keyboard, so the name my activity 2 has been deleted from here. Okay, erased from here. Now you have to give any desired name to this folder. So I am giving the name my activity 2. Okay, my activity 2. I am giving my activity 2. Like that you can give your name. You can give any desired name to your folder, then press enter. Okay, so this is about your lab activity number 1 and activity number 2. Okay, if it is possible, now you have to do this activity at your home. Make your video. Okay, make a video of yourself by in which you are showing to doing this activity 1 and activity 2. And you have to make a video and send it to me and your respective class teacher, that is Sonam Chaurasia ma'am of 4th B, and for 4th A you have to send you can send this video directly to me, that is Ankita Keshravani. Okay, so I think it is now it is clear for you how to create a folder and how to rename it, how to save any file inside a folder, how to create a file. Understood everyone? Our lab activity section. Okay, so now I want to discuss, I want to revise one more topic, that is what is the using context menu and what is the difference between this personalize option and properties option. Okay, what is the difference, main difference, and when you will get these two options. Okay, so you can see here when you right click on any icon, a pop-up menu appears which is called this context menu. Okay, so when you will right click on any icon, ठीक है, जब आप किसी आइकन पे राइट क्लिक करते हैं, a pop-up menu will appears which is called context menu. Using this pop-up menu, you can save your time to access commands. Right clicking on the different areas and object will display different sets of commands. The context menu is also called the shortcut menu. Okay, अगर आप different area में click करते हैं, if you are clicking on different areas, for example, if you are clicking on any icon, then it will show you the context menu which will contain the this type of option. Okay, which will contain this type of options. Okay, and when you will click on any blank area of the desktop, then you can see this type of context menu will appears. Okay, so you can see we will get two types of context menu. So let's see, right clicking on the blank area of the desktop. So when you will right click on the blank area of the desktop, you will find a menu with the list of options. Okay, with the list of options, these are the list you will get when you will right click on blank area of the desktop. Understood? The personalize option, you can see the personalize option can be seen at the bottom. Here at the bottom side you can see the personalize option. You can change the background settings of the desktop, screensaver, appearance of icons, menus, message box, font, color, etc. and can also give various visual effects to them. Understood? By clicking on this option, you can change the desktop setting, you can change the screensaver, you can just give a screensaver time. Okay, and you can change the appearance of icons, menus, message box, font, colors, themes, etc. You can change anything. Okay, you can redecorate your desktop, and it is the feature of Windows 7. Okay, and when you will right click on an object, you will find this, you will find an entirely different menu. Okay, so this is a different menu, and it is a different menu. The properties option will be found at the bottom of the list. Here you can see this properties option. Okay, so understood the difference between personalize option, when you will get the personalize option and when you will get the properties option. Okay, so when I will right click on any icon, for example here I am clicking on this PC option, here I will get this context menu which is containing properties at the bottom side. Okay, properties option at the bottom side, and when I will right click on any blank area of this desktop, you can see this context menu is entirely different from the previous one. Okay, and here you will get this personalized option instead of properties option. Okay, and this personalized option will help you to change the desktop setting, the appearance of your desktop, the screensaver. You can change anything, you can redecorate your computer, your desktop according to your choice. Understood? By clicking on this personalized option. So you can see I am clicking on it. As I am clicking on it, it will open this setting. Okay, from here you can change the background. For example, I am changing a background right now. So from here you can solid color, you can use solid color, you can use slideshow, you can select any picture. So here I am selecting one picture, that is of umbrellas. So either you can browse any pictures, you can browse any pictures from saved picture from your computer also, and either you can choose a picture, by default pictures are given here, or you can browse a pictures that is already saved in your computer. So the choice up to you from where you want to save, choose a background for your desktop. So I am selecting this umbrellas background and choose a fit, fill, stretch, tilt, tile, center, जो भी आपको यहाँ से करना है, span, you can choose anything. Okay, according to that wallpaper is saved. So I am using this fit option. Okay, fit, and choose your background color. अब fit है तो background color ले लेते हैं black. Okay, black is good. I can also use this color. Red ले लेते हैं, चलो ठीक है, for example red. Now it will save. So there is no need to manually save it. बस यहाँ पे आपको इसे select करना पड़ता है. It will automatically get saved. And just minimize it, close it. You can see the wallpaper has been changed. Okay, the wallpaper has been changed, and you can see. Wait. So like that you can change the background of your desktop screen. Now we will just go to the back and we can see the colors option. From here you can see the Windows mode. You can choose your default Windows mode as a light mode, as a dark mode, you whatever you want to do. And if you want to do the choose your default app mode in a dark mode. So when you can see when I am selecting this dark mode option, the whole screen will get automatically dark. Okay, सो इसे हमेशा हमें लाइट पे रखना है. मैं अपने डेस्कटॉप की सेटिंग जैसी वापस थी वो कर रही हूँ, एक लाइट एक डार्क. ओके, गुड. So here, from here you can choose the background color also. From here you can see the custom color, whatever color you want to do use, you can use here from here. Understood? From this option you can lock your screen, you can change the themes also, you can change the fonts, you can okay. So this is about taskbar and start, so don't use it. You have to just do the practice of changing the background color and themes. Don't use this lock screen and font option. Okay, right now you have to change only the background of your computer desktop. You can change the colors, background, and you can change the themes also. Understood? From here you can choose any theme. When you are using any theme, so from here you can choose a mouse cursor color, background color, anything you can say, use it according to yourself. Okay, you can see the background has already changed, and the icons, the colors of icons of all are changed now. Okay, by selecting the theme. सो राइट लाइक दैट. देखो अभी सेटिंग जब मैंने पहले ओपन की थी तो ये ब्लू कलर में दिख रहा था, अभी थीम का कलर कुछ और है, बैकग्राउंड का कलर कुछ और है, तो ये मुझे ब्राउन कलर में दिख रहा है. अंडरस्टूड? लाइक दैट यू कैन चेंज एनी कलर, बैकग्राउंड, थीम्स ऑफ योर डेस्कटॉप. सो दिस इज द very good feature of Windows 7, that is we can redecorate our windows according to our choice. Understood everyone? So that is very good feature of Windows 7. And now back to our page. So I think this is clear for you. So when we will click on blank area of the desktop, we will get this personalize option, and you can see when you will just click on this icon, any object, you will get this context menu, which is different, entirely different from the personalized context menu. Okay, previous one जो था उससे पूरा different है. And here you will get this properties option, and by clicking on properties option you can see the details of my computer. Okay, it will show you the details. If you are clicking, right clicking on this folder, for example I am right clicking on this folder, from here you will get this context menu, and here you will also get this properties option, and just click on it. You can see the properties of this folder, the type of folder, location of this folder, the size of this folder, the size on disk. Okay, contains 2 files contain करके रखा है. ये जो folder है class 2, उसके अंदर 2 files है and 0 folders है. created कब create की गई थी? 24 जून को create की गई थी. उसका timing दिया है 3 PM. Okay, 3 o'clock. Read only, and this is about read only. Okay, so this is the about properties. From here you can change you can see the properties of your folder, files, and anything else. Okay, and so when you will get the properties option, when you will click on any icon or any object, then only you will get the properties option. And when you will right click on any blank area of the desktop, that time you will get the personalize option. ओके, सो यहाँ पे डिफरेंस समझ में आ रहा है ना दोनों में कि कब हमको पर्सनलाइज ऑप्शन मिलेगा और कब हमको प्रॉपर्टीज ऑप्शन मिलेगा. अंडरस्टूड? सो इसे अच्छे से याद रखना. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दैट इज इनफ फॉर टुडे. In our next video we will start our next chapter, that is Tux Paint. Okay, so in our next video we will start Tux Paint. So that is enough for today. Bye students, take care.